Buying a hardware key is the best security decision you'll ever make. But if you configure it incorrectly, you aren't just unprotected, you're one lost device away from being locked out of your own life forever. Today, I'm taking you through the Security Vault Z4 setup protocol. We aren't just turning on 2FA, we are building a redundant, phishing-resistant fortress for your primary identity. Let's do it right. The first rule of professional security: 1 is none. 2 is 1. If you only have one key and you lose it, your recovery process becomes a nightmare that hackers can exploit. At Security Vault Z4, we always configure a primary key for daily use and a backup key for off-site storage. Step 1. Securing the master key, your primary email. We'll go into the security settings, remove all SMS recovery options, and register both keys. Step 2. The password manager. We are binding your Bitwarden or 1Password vault to these physical tokens. Now, even if someone steals your master password, they are effectively blocked without this physical object in their hand. In 2026, we are moving beyond 2FA. We are implementing Passkeys. This allows for a passwordless login that is cryptographically tied to your hardware. No password to steal, no code to intercept. This is the unhackable standard we implement for our private clients. Your backup key doesn't stay on your keychain. It goes into a safe or a secure off-site location. Physical security is just as important as digital encryption. This is just the foundation of our 14-point audit. If you want a professional to oversee the architecture of your digital defense, visit our site. The links to the exact hardware I used today are in the description. Don't wait for a breach. Build your vault. I'll see you in the next deep dive.